Can you apply lashes like a pro within 2 seconds? I'm going to show you how you can apply lashes within 2 seconds like a pro. I'm going to apply this liner which I recently launched. So I have applied this liner. You can buy this liner from my website. Once you will apply this liner, you don't need any glue. This is latex free and glue free, and these lashes are from Sun Cosmetics as well, and these are free from glue. Guys, this is the tool which will make your life so much easier. So I'm going to take this quick lash applicator. So I'm going to hold it like this. You're going to reduce the time of the application if you use this applicator. So 1, 2, here it is. Guys, look at this. I'm going to show you. 1, 2, done. Guys, have a look. Within 2 seconds, I applied this side and 2 seconds this side. That's it. I didn't take too much time to apply my lashes. I saved so much time. So you are saving so much time. If you apply this liner, you don't need glue. You don't need to wait for a few minutes to get the glue tacky. And obviously, you are not using any glue. And using this quick lash applicator, you're saving so much time, and also you're saving time and you're not applying any glue.